You might have heard the term right to work, but what does it actually mean for your paycheck and workplace rights? Let's simplify it. At its core, right to work is a legal principle regarding how labor unions operate within a state. Currently, 26 states have enacted these laws, meaning the rules governing your workplace depend heavily on where you live. The main takeaway is that you cannot be forced to join a union or pay dues just to hold your job. In states without these laws, unions can require all employees in a workplace to pay a fee for the cost of representation. While union membership varies by industry, right-to-work laws specifically impact how these organizations fund their operations and services. Always check your local state labor board website, as labor laws are highly specific to your jurisdiction and industry. Understanding your local labor laws helps you know your rights at work. Subscribe for more money basics and follow us for updates.